How to load a TSV file into a Pandas DataFrame. I'm new to Python and Pandas. I'm trying to get a TSV file loaded into a Pandas DataFrame. This is what I'm trying and the error I'm getting.
The .read_CSV function does what you want. If you have a header, you can pass header equals 0. Note, prior 17.0, pd.dataframe.from_CSV was used, it is now deprecated and the .from_CSV documentation link redirects to the page for pd.read_CSV.
Use pandas.read_table file path. The default separator is tab.
As of 17.0 from_CSV is discouraged. Use pd.read_CSV fpath sep equals \t or pd.read_table fpath.
Open file, save as .csv and then apply. For any other format also, just change the sep tag.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.